Hello kids, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get their x and y values. So let's see. So writing first equation 0.4x, then 1.5y, then 6.5. So this is the equation first, and here the next equation 0.3x and 0.2y equal to 0.9. This is the equation 2. So two equation is there. Both equation has point values. So I'm going to remove their point value first. So writing there 0.4x minus 1.5y equal to 6.5. So here we can write 10 removing the point 10, and this here removing 10. So before point there is only one digit, so that 10, one digit, so that 10, before point 10, one digit, so that this is 10. Or we can write this base 4x by 10, then 15 by 10, and this here 65 by 10. Or we can write here 4x minus 15y divided by 10, and this here 65 by 10. Or we can write 4x minus 15y equal to 65. So let's assume this is equation third. So equation third. Thereafter, let's take the second equation. So writing here, taking equation 2. So on equation 2, 0.3x, then 0.2y, then 0.9. So before point there is one digit, so that we can write 10, this here 10, and this here removing the decimal, then we can write 10. Or we can write here 3x by 10, 2y by 10, or 9 by 10. Or we can write here 3x plus 2y divided by 10, and this here 9 by 10. Or here we can write 3x 2y equal to 9. This 10 that's cancelled because this is in both denominator. If you do cross multiplication, take the 10, then 10 cancel. Let's assume this is equation 4. Now here removing the y part. So in equation 3, if I multiply with 2, so this here that's come plus minus 13y. And if you in equation here 4, if you multiply 15, so this here plus 13y that's come there. Now if you add this 3 and 4, then minus and plus 13y that cancel. So that here we can write multiplying equation third with 2 and equation 4 with 15. This we can write here. After that, let's multiply. So 4 into 2, this 8x that's come there. This here 13y that's come, and 65 into 2, 130. And now this that's come there. Let's assume this is fifth equation. Now thereafter here 3x into 15, 45x that's come there, and this come there 13y, and 15 into 9 that is 135. Suppose this is equation 6. Thereafter simply you need to add the equation 5 and 6, then you can get the x value. So writing there, adding equation 5 and 6. So we can write here 8x minus 13y. So this is 13y, then 130 and 45x, then 13y equal to 135. This add, so plus plus plus, this plus. So this cancel. Now this that's come there. So 45 plus 8, that is 53. And this come there to 65. x equal to 265 by 53. So this cancel by 5 times. So 5 times that cancel. Then x value you can get there 5. So x value is now 5. And this x value you can put on equation 1, 2, 3, 4. So putting on 4 because this is simple. So that here writing first, putting x value in equation of 4. Equation 4. So equation 4 is 3x, then 2y, 9. So x value is now 5. 9. This here 15, then 2y, 9. And 2y equal to 9 minus 15. 2y equal to minus 6. Or we can write there y equal to minus 6 by 2. This cancel by 3 times. So y equal to minus 3, that's come there. So this is the answer. So this is the first answer and this is the second answer. X value is now 5, y value is now minus 3, that's come there. So this is how we can get the x and y value of this equation. So what I'm going to repeat this all. Write the given equation, remove the point, then this will look simple. Here you can get there first. After removing the point, then you can get this equation and there also. So this has 0.4. So 0.4 before the point 1 digit is there 4, so that we can write 4. But here if you write 0.45 before point, it has 2 digits 4 and 5. So if you remove, then this place you can write there 100. Okay, and the same thing apply there. After that, here we need to remove the y, terminate the y part first, so that on equation 3 multiply with 2 and equation 4 multiply with 15. Then you can see y part is the same. Then y cancel, x value is now 5. That's come there, x value put on the 4. After that you can get there y value is minus 3. So this is how we can solve this equation. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.